Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm excited to talk with you today. How was your morning? Did you have coffee or tea? I hope you're feeling good and ready. Today we're going to talk about something very personal and interesting. We're discussing our daily routines. Everyone has different habits and schedules. Some people wake up early. Others prefer to stay up late. Your daily routine says a lot about you. It shows what you like and what's important to you. So get comfortable, maybe grab a snack, and let's explore the wonderful world of daily routines together. Daily routines are the things we do every day. They happen at the same time usually. Most people have morning routines. This might include brushing teeth, eating breakfast, or checking their phone. We also have evening routines. Maybe you watch TV, read books, or talk with your family. Some routines help us stay healthy. Exercise, cooking good food, and sleeping enough are important daily habits. Work routines are common too. People go to offices, schools, or work from home every day. Let me share my morning routine with you. I hope it gives you ideas for yours. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. First, I drink a big glass of cold water immediately. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face with cool water. This helps me feel awake. I make coffee and toast for breakfast. Sometimes I add butter and jam to my toast. While eating, I check the weather and news on my phone. This helps me plan my day. After breakfast, I get dressed and ready for work. I choose comfortable clothes that I like. My work starts at 9 a.m. I usually arrive 15 minutes early to prepare for the day. During lunchtime, I eat with my colleagues. We talk about work, family, and weekend plans. I try to drink lots of water during work. This keeps me healthy and helps me think. At 5 p.m., I finish work and head home. Sometimes I stop at the store for food. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes. Then I start preparing dinner for myself. I like cooking simple meals. Rice, vegetables, and some meat or fish make me very happy. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. A clean space makes me feel good. I usually watch TV shows or read books for 1 hour. This helps me relax completely. Before bed, I brush my teeth again and set my alarm. I try to sleep by 10 p.m. Weekends are different from weekdays. I wake up later, usually around 8 or 9 a.m. naturally. I make a bigger breakfast on weekends. Pancakes, eggs, and fruit are my favorite weekend foods. I clean my house and do laundry. These chores are important, but I don't mind them. Sometimes I meet friends for lunch or coffee. We talk and laugh about many different things. I also like to exercise on weekends. Walking in the park or swimming makes me feel great. Routines help us save time and energy. When we do the same things daily, we don't think. They reduce stress in our lives. We know what to expect and how to plan ahead. Good routines keep us healthy. Regular sleep, exercise, and meals are very important for our bodies. Routines also help us reach our goals. Daily practice makes us better at skills we want. Some people think routines are boring, but I think they give us freedom to enjoy special moments. Start small when creating new routines. Choose one or two things to change, not everything at once. Be realistic about your time. Don't plan too many things or you'll feel stressed and tired. Make your routines enjoyable. Add music, good smells, or pretty things to make them pleasant. Be flexible sometimes. If something goes wrong, don't worry. Just continue tomorrow with your normal routine. Daily routines are very personal. What works for me might not work perfectly for you. The most important thing is finding routines that make you happy and healthy every single day. Try different things until you find what feels right. Don't be afraid to change things sometimes. I hope sharing my routines was helpful. Now I'd love to hear about your daily routines too. Thank you for listening today. Have a wonderful day and enjoy creating your perfect daily routine.